Guys, welcome back to Jenny's Crazy Country Couponer. And well, we've got an instant savings deal that we're going to take advantage of any day this week. So come on in and let me tell you how we can best do it. And you want to know. And on your way in, please like the video and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, we want you to be. So right now, before you forget, look below and hit the subscription button, and then make sure all your notifications are on. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, and just hanging out for a few minutes, getting you some, well, much needed peace and hopefully a smile. All right, everybody, thank you very much. And please make sure when you're listening to the videos that you do leave a comment and an emoji. Please, it helps the channel immensely. Can't stress that enough. And watch those little pop-up things if you would. Again, helps the channel immensely. Now, we've got this instant savings on Arm & Hammer. We've got a bunch of Arm & Hammer coupons and a lot of Arm & Hammer products that we can choose from. So let's start with, well, the Mega Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Okay, this $12.50 Arm & Hammer. Now, there's two different $3 coupons. There's a $3 coupon that attaches to this product, and there's a $3 coupon that attaches to the $9.95 product, okay? So we're going to pick up this great big one for this first deal. And then we're going to pick up the $6 Arm & Hammer. And then we're going to pick up the $4.50 Arm & Hammer. And coming off of that is going to be 3, 2, and nothing. I think there is an urn maybe. I'm not sure. There might be an urn on that $4 one. So you're looking at $22.50 here with the $10 in coupons coming off. So you're looking at $12.50 out of pocket for that, $11.50 after your earn. Okay. Now your next deal is going to be again this big $12.50 of laundry detergent, the $6 bottle of Arm & Hammer. You've got a $2 coupon attaching. And the $4.50 tube of toothpaste, you've got a $1 coupon and a $1 earn. So you're looking at $23 there, $11 in coupons, $12 out of pocket, and $11 is your final out of pocket after your earn. And your last Arm & Hammer deal is your $9.95 Arm & Hammer using that $3 coupon. This $12.50 Arm & Hammer using the $3 coupon, you're at $22.45, and your coupons are $11, so you're looking at $11.45. Now that's almost 50% off total, and a winner deal, guys. So that is your Arm & Hammer any day of the week scenarios. Now if you want to save more money than this, do this deal on Saturday and get some more Arm & Hammer products, and you'll save an additional $5. Now, your next daily deal is going to be with the Purex, guys. You've got the Purex for $3.75. You got a $1.25 coupon and a 75-cent earn. So that's looking like a $1.75 final out of pocket. Now, if you add 2 of those glitching Oral-B toothbrushes to that with some overage in an older operating system store, you'll be looking at 75 cents out of pocket. So, again, a winner chicken dinner at the Dollar General, though. So, blessings. We'll talk again real soon with some more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that you want to know.